Hello friends, now we are going to see about logic gates. There are about 6 types of logic gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate and XOR gate. First, we are going to see what are all the apparatus required for performing this experiment. We need 2 input AND gate, 2 input OR gate, 1 NOT gate, 1 2 input NAND gate, 1 2 input NOR gate, 2 input XOR gate, 1 3 input NAND gate, 1 IC joiner gate and a patch cord as required. Now we are going to see about AND gate. The AND gate is nothing but which performs a logical multiplication operation, and the function is known as AND. The output is I when both the inputs are I, and the output is low when any one of the input is low. So this is the symbol of AND gate, and the truth table is this. When you give input as 0 0, you will be getting the output as 0, and when you give 0 1, you will be getting 0, and when you give 1 0, you will be getting 0, and when you give 1 1, you will be getting 1. So this is the pin diagram for AND gate. Next,
Now let us see the simulation for AND gate. For that we need 2 input and 1 output. So I am taking 2 toggle switches and naming it as A and B for input, and 1 light bulb and naming it as Y for output. And I am taking the AND gate and fixing it in the middle. And then I am giving the connections to the AND gate. Now let us give the input and see the output. First, when I give 0 1, I am getting 0. When I give 1 0, I am getting 0. When I give 1 1, I am getting 1. And when I give 0 0, I get 0.
we are going to see about OR gate. OR gate is nothing but which performs a logical or addition operation, and its function is commonly known as OR. The output is I when any one of the input is I, and the output is low when both the inputs are low. So this is the symbol of OR gate, and this is the pin diagram. In this, the truth table is this, and when you give the input as 0 0, you will be getting a 0, and when you give 0 1, you will be getting 1, and when you give 1 0, you will be getting 1, and when you give 1 1, you will be getting 1.
We are taking 2 toggle switches as input for OR gate, and we are fixing the OR gate in the middle, and we are taking 1 light bulb as output. We are giving connections from 2 toggle gate to the OR gate and light bulb to the OR gate. Now we are performing the experiment to see the output. First, when you give 0 1, you will be getting 1, and 1 0 1, and 1 1, you will be getting 1.
Next is NOT gate. The NOT gate is called an inverter. That is, the output is I when the input is low, and the output is low when the input is I. This is the symbol of NOT gate, and this is the pin diagram. So the truth table is, when you give 0 as an input, you will be getting your output as 1, and when you give 1, you will be getting 0. That is, the output is the complement of the input. That is NOT gate.
Now we are going to see about NOT gate. For that you need only one toggle switch, since there is only one input, and one NOT gate and one light bulb as output. We are giving connections to the NOT gate to see the output. First, when you give 0, it is 1, and when you give 1, it is 0.
Now NAND gate. The NAND gate is a contraction of AND and NOT. The output is I when both inputs are low and any one of the input is low. The output is low level when both the inputs are high. This is the symbol of 3 input NAND gate, and this is the pin diagram for 3 input NAND gate. The truth table is this, and this is the symbol for 2 input NAND gate and pin diagram for 2 input NAND gate. In truth table, in 2 input NAND gate, when you give 0 0 as input, you will be getting 1. When you give 0 1 as input, you will be getting 1. When you give 1 0, you will be getting 1, and when you give 1 1, you will be getting 0. That is, NAND gate is a complement of AND gate.
Now we are going to see the simulation video of 2 input NAND gate. For that you need 2 input and 1 output. So we are taking 2 toggle switches as input, and we are naming it as A and B, and we are taking 1 light bulb as output, and we are naming it as Y. we are taking the NAND gate and fixing it in the middle and naming it as NAND. Now we are giving the connections to the NAND gate. Now let's see the output. When you give 0 0, you get 0. When you give 1 0, you get 1. When you give 0 1, you get 1. And when you give 1 1, you get 0. Now let us see the simulation video for 3 input NAND gate. For that you need 3 input and 1 output. So let us take 3 toggle switches and name it as A, B and C. And we take 1 light bulb as an output and name it as Y. Now let us take the 3 input NAND gate and fix it in the middle and name it as NAND. Now let us give the input and see the output. First, when you give 0 0 1, you get 1, and when you give 0 1 0, you get 1, and when you give 0 1 1, you get 1, and you give 1 0 0, you get 1. When you give 1 0 1, you get 1. When you give 1 1 0, you get 1. And when you give 1 1 1, you get 0.
Now we are going to see NOR gate. NOR gate is a contraction of OR and NOT. The output is high when both inputs are low, and the output is low when both inputs are high. This is a symbol of NOR gate, and this is the pin diagram. In this, when you give input as 0 0, you will be getting as 1, and when you give 0 1, you will be getting 1, 1 0 1, and when you give 1 1, you will be getting 0. NOR gate is nothing but the complement of OR gate.
Now we are going to see about NOR gate. So for that you need to take 2 toggle switches as output, 1 NOR gate and fix it in the middle, and a light bulb as an output. Now we have to give connections to the NOR gate to see the output. First we are giving 1 0 and the output is 0, and 0 1 output is 0, 1 1 and the output is 0, when it is 0 0 and the output is 1.
Now we are going to see XOR gate. The output is high when any one of the input is high, and the output is low when both the inputs are low and both the inputs are high. This is the symbol of XOR gate, and this is the pin diagram. The truth table is when you give 0 0, you will be getting 0. When you give 0 1, you will be getting 1. And when you give 1 0, you will be getting 1. And when you give 1 1, you will be getting 0.
Now let us see the simulation for XOR gate. For that we need 2 input and 1 output. So I'm taking 2 toggle switches as input and naming it as A and B, and I'm taking 1 light bulb as output and naming it as Y. Now I'm taking the XOR gate and fixing it in the middle and then giving connections to the XOR gate. Now let us give the input and see the output.
So now we are going to see about half adder and full adder. The aim or objective of it is we have to design and construct an half adder, full adder, half subtractor and full subtractor, and verify their truth tables using logic gates. First, we are going to see what are all the apparatus required for performing this experiment. You need one quantity of 2 input AND gate, 2 input XOR gate, 1 input NOT gate, 2 input OR gate, and an IC trainer kit and patch cords as required. First, we are going to see about half adder. A half adder is a combinational circuit which needs 2 binary inputs and 2 binary outputs. So, the half adder can be implemented with an exclusive OR and an AND gate. So, this is the truth table of half adder. When you give inputs at 0 0, you will be getting an output as 0 0. And half adder, in half adder output, you will be getting 2 terms, that is carry and sum. When you give 0, 1, you'll be getting carry as 0 and sum as 1. And 1, 0, you'll be getting 0 as carry and 1 as sum. And when you give 1, 1, carry as 1 and 0 as sum. Next is the K-map for sum and carry. K-map is nothing but the Karnaugh map. It's used to simplify the Boolean expressions. So the K-map for sum and K-map for carry are here. So this is the logic diagram for half adder.
Now let's see the simulation for half adder. For that, we need to take two toggle switches as input A and B, one XOR gate and one AND gate. We are placing the XOR gate straightly to the toggle switch A and AND gate straightly to the toggle switch B. And then we are taking two light bulbs as output, one for sum and other for carry. So now let's give the input and see the output.
Next, we are going to see about full adder. A full adder is a combinational circuit that forms the arithmetic sum of input. It consists of three inputs and two outputs. In full adder, some output will be taken from XOR gate, carry output will be taken from OR gate. So, the full adder is done using two half adder circuits. The truth table of full adder is this. Now, K-map for sum and K-map for carry for full adder. The logic diagram for full adder. We have constructed the full adder using two half adder circuits.
Now let us see the simulation for full adder. For that, you have to take three toggle switches as input A, B, C and two XOR gate, two AND gate and one OR gate. Now we are fixing the two XOR gate straightly to the toggle switch A and the two AND gate in between the toggle switch B and C, and the OR gate straightly to the toggle switch C. And we are taking two light bulbs as input and we're taking two light bulbs as output, one for sum and the other for carry. Now let's give the input and see the output.
Half subtractor. The half subtractor is constructed using XOR and AND gate. The half subtractor has two input and two outputs. The outputs are difference and borrow. The difference can be applied using XOR gate. Borrow output can be implemented using an AND gate and an inverter. So the truth table for the half subtractor is this. The K-map for half subtractor, one for difference and another for borrow. The logic diagram for half subtractor.
Now we are going to see simulation for half subtractor. For that, you need to take two toggle switches A and B, one XOR gate, one NOT gate and the other AND gate. Now we are taking the XOR gate and placing it straightly to the toggle switch A and NOT gate and AND gate straightly to the toggle switch B. We are taking two bulbs as output, one for borrow and the other for difference. Now let's give the input and see the output for half subtractor.
Now we are going to see about full subtractor. The full subtractor is a combination of XOR, AND, OR and NOT gates. In a full subtractor, the logic circuit should have 3 inputs and 2 outputs. The two half subtractor put together gives a full subtractor. The first half subtractor will be C and AB. So the truth table for the half subtractor is this one. The K-map for difference and K-map for borrow for the half subtract for full subtractor. The the logic diagram for full subtractor is constructed using two half subtractor, and this is one.
Now we are going to see simulation for full subtractor. For that you need to take 3 toggle switches as input A, B and C, 2 XOR gate, 2 NOT gate, 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate. We are placing the XOR gate straightly to the toggle switch A and NOT and 2 NOT gate and 2 AND gate straightly in between B and C, and the OR gate straightly to the toggle switch C. Now we are taking 2 bulbs as output, one for difference and the other for borrow. Now let's give the input and see the output for.
Now we are going to see about code conversions. First is aim. What is the aim of this code conversions? We are going to design and implement 4-bit binary to gray code converter and gray to binary code converter. So first one is the binary to gray code converter. Binary to gray code converter is a very simple process. There are several steps to do this types of conversions. First one is the MSB of the gray code will be exactly equal to the first bit of the given binary number. So now we are going to see the truth table. The truth table of the binary to gray code converter is this. Next, we are going to see about the K-map. The K-map is constructed for 4 types, that is the K-map for G0, for G1, G2 and G3. The logic diagram for binary to gray code converter is this one.
We are going to see simulation for binary to gray conversions. For that you need to take 4 toggle switches as input and name it as B0, B1, B2 and B3, and we are taking 3 XOR gate and we are taking 4 bulb switches as output. We are placing the XOR gate straightly to the toggle switches B2, B1 and B0. Now we are giving the input and we'll see the output.
Now we are going to see about gray code to binary converter. Gray code to binary conversion is again a simple process, an easy one. We have to follow these steps to convert the gray code to binary one. The MSB of the binary number will be equal to the MSB of the given gray code. Now, if the second gray bit is 0, the second binary bit will be same as the previous of the or the first bit. This step is continued for all the bits to do gray code to binary conversion. The truth table for gray code to binary converter is this. K-map. Once again, the K-map is constructed for 4 types, that is B0, B1, B2, B3. Here we did it for B and there we did it for G. Logic diagram. The logic diagram for gray to binary code converter is this. Now we are going to see simulation for gray to binary. For that we have to take 4 toggle switches as input and name it as G0, G1, G2 and G3. And then we have to take 4 bulbs as output and name as B0, B1, B2 and B3. And we are taking 3 XOR gates and placing it straightly to the toggle switches G0, G1 and G2. Now we are giving the input and we will see the output. Now we are going to see about encoders and decoders. First is aim. What we are going to design and implement encoder and decoder using logic gates. So next we are going to see what are all the apparatus required for doing this experiment. We need 2 quantity of 3 input NAND gate, 3 quantity of OR gate, 1 NOT gate, 1 IC trainer kit and patch cards as required. So encoder. What is an encoder? An encoder is a digital circuit that performs inverse operation of a decoder. An encoder has two n input lines and n output lines. In encoder, it is assumed that only one input has a value of 1 at any given time, otherwise the circuit is meaningless. So now, this is the logic diagram for encoder. This is the truth table for encoder. You have 7 input and the output is A, B, C.
Now we are going to see simulation for encoder. For that we need 7 inputs and 3 output. So we are taking 7 toggle switches and naming it from Y1 to Y7. and we are taking the light bulbs as output and naming it as A, B and C. We are using the OR gate for connecting the circuit of the encoder. Now let's give the input and see the output.
Decoder. A decoder is a multiple input, multiple operation logical circuit operation which converts coded input into coded output where input and output codes are different. So the input code generally has fewer bits than the output code. Truth table. This is the truth table for the decoder. This is a logic diagram for decoder.
Going to
Now
see simulation for decoder. For that we need 3 inputs and 4 outputs. So we are taking 3 toggle switches and naming it as A, B and E, and we are taking light bulbs as output and naming it as D0, D1, D2 and D3. We are using 3 input NAND gate and NOT gate for connecting the circuit of the decoder. Now let's give the input and see the output.